Hey, Marty. Seriously, this is actually beyond cool because you literally have a small sized, real looking moon. So, you can actually hold the moon in your hand. How cool is that? Having the power to hold the moon revolving in my hand.
They're probably pretty expensive, but I'm going to have to definitely get a few of these up for my patrons. Holy smokes, this is really cool. Thanks again, Marty.
That is trippy. Literally looks like we're looking at the moon, man. Changes color too, this thing. It's pretty cool. It's literally moon design.
We got some more snow a couple of days ago. Imagine, we're the 14th of May, starting to get sick of it. 4K moon tonight.
And it's starting. Sorry.
8:35 a.m. Eastern Time, Montreal. Chemtrails all over the sky. They're spraying along the elliptical line, they're spraying over the sun and the moon. Winds are at 15 kilometers, and the chemtrails are just widening out, but they're extremely low today.
That's what they're spraying over.
We're going to start filming at night. They are spraying like crazy at night over the moon. It's just absolutely ridiculous. You can see the moon right there. Destroyed sky once again with all this crap. The chemtrails are really low today.
See, because of the chemtrails, I can't even zoom up on the moon. Yeah, they're right there. And I can't zoom up on it. It won't stay in focus. It's always blurry. See? Those are the chemtrails doing that.
Hey everyone, how are you all doing? First of all, thanks a lot for the ongoing support. There'll be some nice gifts starting to come up on the Patreon page. Obviously, those of you who have become patrons, we're only 35 that's written, but I know we're really only 29 or 30. because there's a couple trolls that come by the Patreon page, but that doesn't matter. Before we get to the goal mark, which the Patreon page, the ideal is to get a certain amount of people and start giving out prizes to people. Well, we're not going to wait for that. And, you know, you guys like... Oh, I'm not actually looking at the right place. You guys like these paintings. They're very nice paintings. So what I wanted to do is I'm going to pay that person and reveal who the painter is, the famous painter. She's a very good painter. And we're going to give out some prizes once in a while on the Patreon page. And one of them is going to be a painting of a particular alien that I really, really adore. That I, instead of putting it up on my wall, I want to give it to one of my patrons on the Patreon page. So just real quick, this was the lamp. Listen, those of you who like the moon and you literally want the real moon in your house, I wish there were more reviews on this on YouTube. Surprising enough, this is what the moon looks like that I showed you at the beginning. It looks simple, doesn't it, eh? But it's really not. It's really quite complex because it's just, you know, the bumps are all on it. You can feel the bumps where there's a crater and stuff like that. And that's what it looks like. It comes on this simple rack. Beautiful. It's a beautiful, beautiful moon. It looks real. That's why I like it. It looks just real at night. You plug it in your computer to charge it. So, you know, I got that as a gift from Marty. I just wanted to share that. But can I turn it on during the day to show you what it looks like just by tapping it here? You have different colors and stuff. You probably can't see it. It doesn't look like anything right now. It's at night when you look at it. You know, when you're literally looking at the moon. And again, see when you look at the moon during the day, this is what you see, the white ball. But actually, let's take down the exposure. There you go. Check it out. It looks pretty real. It's pretty trippy. Thanks, Marty. You guys see it? Literally, the moon. Looks pretty cool. And it looks real. If you want to have a nice moon lamp in your home, get yourself one of these. Thanks again, Marty.